Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to autoplay piano in Roblox. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to autoplay piano here in Roblox, well, this one's quite simple. You just need to install a very simple and easy to use software that you could get online for free. So in this case, first things first, you want to open up any browser here and you want to go and type in the following. It's going to be auto hotkey on your Google. Now, in here, you want to access the first link here, which is autohotkey.com, or you can just go to autohotkey.com directly on your browser. But yeah, once you are in here, you want to go and click on download. Now, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and download both versions of AutoHotkey here. So that includes the V1.1 and the V2. So in this case, just click on one of them and just wait for the download to complete. And once the download is complete, what you just need to do is you want to go ahead and open this up in a new folder, and you want to go and just double click on it to start the installation. Now in this case, just click on install. Now do the same thing for the V1.1, double click on it, and instead of using or seeing this usual screen here, it's going to ask you install as additional version or custom installation. So by the way, instead of install as additional version, you should see express installation. You could go and just install, use that option to easily install AutoHotkey here. But since I already have that one, I won't be installing it myself in here. So I'm going to just leave this one. But yeah. So once you do have this installed, the next thing that you want to do is you want to go to your search bar here and you want to go and just type in AutoHotkey and you want to look for AutoHotkey dash. Go ahead and click on it. Now you want to click on the editor settings here, click on it, and you want to make sure that notepad is actually selected. Now once you do have that selected, go ahead and click on OK and click on close. Now you can go and right click on your desktop here, click on new. And you want to go and choose hotkey script here. And you want to go ahead and basically enter the name for your script. So I'm just going to say auto piano. Obviously, you could use whatever name you want. Let's go and click on create. Now, once you have this like in here, you want to right click on it. And you want to go and click on the option as edit in notepad. Now, this is what's going to look like. It's going to be empty. And what you need to do is you want to go ahead and open up our description here. And you should see a link for our script. So go ahead and just copy the contents of that script. Once you've copied that, you can go and paste that in your script here, the file that we just recently created. And go ahead and just save this one. Once you've done that, you can go and click on the X at the top right. Right click on Auto Piano here. And you can go and click on open. Now you should see this one. So what you need to do is you just need to paste the actual music sheet. Now in this case, I'm going to use this one. This is like, if I'm not mistaken, Rush E. So this one. So a few things that you need to remember is when you have your auto piano ready here, you'll be using the following keys as like a trigger. So you're going to use this like this one. Like the big bracket. So I'm just gonna close the one so that you should be able to see the bracket, like this one, these two brackets here on your keyboard. And what you need to do is you want to go and just press this alternate, so you'll be able to start playing. So you'll be seeing what I'm saying right now later on. But yeah, let's go and just click on don't save. Let's go and open this one real quickly again, and let's go and just paste our script here. Let's go back to our browser, go to Roblox, and hit on play. So that we should be able to start playing. Click on open Roblox. Let's go and just wait for a while in here until we are inside. And as you can see, we are now in our piano. The great thing about this one is auto piano is at the top here. You don't have to worry about anything. So yeah, you just need to click inside the game. And again, just press the two brackets I've shown you before and it should start playing. So just give you some idea. I'm going to start playing. And yeah, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.